Classes in JavaScript are a key element of object-oriented programming. In today's video, we're going to look at how Google uses JS docs to document classes on their code. If you missed part 1 of this series, look at the link of the description. The class description should provide the reader with enough information to know how and when to use the class, as well as any additional considerations necessary to correctly use the class. They must be documented with a textual description that allows understanding, if they follow a template type, if there is any interface implemented, and any other general guidance for its usage. The text description is placed before the class declaration. That is why there's no need for additional comments on the construction method. Just note that when the constructor accepts parameters, they do need to be documented using their corresponding tags. When declaring a class to use as interface, make sure to place the interface tag right before the declaration. Use the extend tag when you want to document a class that is extending another generic class. If your class is overriding a parent's method, use the override tag to document it. It is worth noting that overridden methods inherit all JS docs annotations from the superclass method, including visibility annotations. In classes, methods, parameters, and return types must be documented. References to these keywords also should be documented when necessary. Here's a tip on how to write textual descriptions of a class method. They begin with a verb phrase that describes what the method does. This phrase is not imperative sentence, but instead is greeted in third person, as if there is an implied this method before it. As an example, logs a new error, sends a message, or calculates the sum. Property types of classes must also be documented. The description may be omitted for private properties, if name and type provide enough documentation for understanding the code. Here is an example. What do you think about this type of class documentation? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.